Today, you will learn how to circle text in Word document. First, go to the place where you want to circle the text. Now, move to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. Inside the Insert tab, look for the Shapes option and click on it. This will open a list of different shapes that you can add to your document. Under the Basic Shapes section, you'll see many different shapes available. The best shape for circling text is the oval shape because it creates a perfect circle or ellipse around your text. Click on the oval option to select it. As soon as you select the oval, your mouse cursor will change into a plus sign. Now, go to your document, click and hold your mouse button, and drag to draw the circle shape. Don't worry about the exact size because you can easily resize it later. Just draw a rough circle around the text you want to highlight. After drawing the shape, you may notice that the inside of the circle has a color fill, which can cover your text and make it difficult to read. We can fix that very easily. Click once on the circle shape to select it. When the shape is selected, a new tab called Shape Format will appear at the top of Word. Click on that tab. Now, look for the Shape Fill option. Click the small arrow under Shape Fill and choose No Fill. Instantly, the color inside the shape disappears, and now you can clearly see the text inside the circle. This is the most important step because it allows the circle outline to highlight the text without hiding it. Next, you can customize the outline of the circle to make it look better. Still inside the Shape Format tab, click on Shape Outline. From here, you can change the color of the circle. For example, you can make it red, blue, black, or any color you like. You can also make the outline thicker by choosing Weight and selecting a larger line size. If you want, you can even choose different line styles, such as dashed lines. If the circle is not exactly on top of the text, simply click and drag the shape to move it. You can place it perfectly around the word, sentence, number, or paragraph you want to highlight. If the circle is too big or too small, click the shape and drag one of the corner handles inward or outward to resize it. Dragging from the corners helps keep the circle shape balanced. You can continue adjusting until the text is perfectly circled. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.